Star 11 presents first ever music reality show, Deccan Music Challenge.
The competition, the war.
This part of the presentation is supported and sponsored by American Telugu Association, ATA, Telugu Association of Southern California, TASC, Archana Dental Care, your family dentistry, Greater Portland Telugu Association, GPTA, Telugu Association of Greater Sacramento, TAX.
Deccan Music Challenge.
This program is brought to you by Space, Sashi Pritam's Academy of Cinema and Entertainment. Audition partners, Rito app, mobile app partners, Movility, OTT partners, FMD, radio partners, Big FM 92.7, web partners, Orange Moon Concept Media, Michigan, Star 11 Entertainers, California, Trendy TV, and Tollywood Nagar.
Deccan Music Challenge.
Welcome to the first episode of Deccan Music Challenge. Ivala manam solo singers the contest chudabothunam. Season 1 lo we have 10 solo singers. Each solo singers are divided into two groups. Group A lo we have Vandana Sushil, Rachna, Kavya, Suresh, and Uma Krishna. Ivala manam Group A members performance chudabothunam. Let me introduce you to our judges. Our first judge is Sumanvita Sharma and our second is Ravi Verma.
Samanvitha is Bangalore's own celebrity singer. She has excelled both as an energetic and interactive performer on stage and an impeccable studio artist. With many recent hits to her credit. Ravi Verma is an Indian film singer, music director who has worked predominantly in Telugu movie industry. Ravi's previous film to hit the theatres was Padunu in the year 2022.
Along with these judges, we also have the expert analyst, also the curator of the show, Mr. Shashi Pritam. He is here in the studio with us today. Since he has selected and auditioned the performers individually, he can share some light about how the contestants need to improve on their performances.
Deccan Music Challenge.
So Shashi Pritam Garu, tell us something about the first contestant.
Well, today the first contestant is Vandana Sushil. Vandana Sushil is a 15-year-old girl. Her mother tongue is Malayalam, but she's pretty good in Telugu and Hindi and of course Malayalam as well. Her voice is very melodious. Of course, she has a long way to go.
I'm really excited for her performance with the introduction Mr. Shashi Pritam gave us. So without further ado, let's just watch her performance.
छोड़ो हाय सजना मोहे छोड़ो हाय मोहे छोड़ो 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 सजना मोहे छोड़ो हाय सजना दिया शीश उठाए सजना दिया शीश उठाए उठाए सजना दिया शीश उठाए सजना रहा मोहे निहार भैया ना धरू ना धरू ना धरू.
Wow, sir, Vandana has such an amazing voice. Now, without waiting further, let's listen to the remarks of the judges and the points they give her.
Vandana, congratulations. It's a very tough song that you've chosen and you've presented it very well. Your voice dynamics need a little bit of improvement. Otherwise, the pitching is fantastic and the nuances are also well presented. You might want to listen to the original a few more times to see exactly what the nuances are, because in some places you have varied the nuances from the original. Otherwise, fantastic singing, very good pitching, amazing voice.
Hi Vandana, your singing is superb. Really, at this age you are singing like professional, and little classical practice will improve your skills. All the very best.
So, sir, now that the judges have given such a valuable feedback, what do you want to say about her performance?
This song that she has chosen is originally sung by Lata Mangeshkar ji. You know, Lata ji is a legendary singer in the entire world. And trying to sing a song which has been sung by someone like that is like climbing the Himalayas for any singer. And believe me, for someone like Vandana, who is just 15 years, she's also going through this, transformation in her age. In the 15 years, they have this change in the voice. And then she's also facing those challenges. So what happens is sometimes the range of the voice changes, or they don't have control over particular notes, and these kind of challenges are there. But despite all this, if we actually do not compare her performance, and if we actually take her performance standalone, I think she's done a good job.
So, sir, what kind of songs do you suggest for her to sing, like based on her voice?
Ideally, she should not sing anything which is very high-pitched. It's a very valid question you've asked. Many times what happens is singers think that they have to pick up something very difficult, and then they're trying to prove a point there. You have to understand what your voice is and try to choose the right song which actually, instead of, make it sound as good as possible is what your objective has to be, especially in a competition.
విన్నారు కదా మీరు అందరూ ఎట్లా వాయిస్ ని ఇంప్రూవ్ చేసుకోవాలో లేదా ఎలాంటి సాంగ్స్ చూస్ చేసుకోవాలో. ఇప్పుడు we will be listening to the second contestant, Rachna. So sir, please give us an introduction about Rachna.
Rachna has quite a number of talents. Apart from just being a singer, she's a classical dancer. And when it comes to singing, she is also classically trained, and she's also good at singing Western music. She has also released 2 music singles of her own. She's acted also within that.
Rachna, if you're listening to this introduction is like an award for you. So now let's go watch Rachna's performance.
నాలో నేనేనా ఏదో అన్నానా నాతో నేలేని మై మరపునా ఏమో అన్నానేమో నువ్వు విన్నావేమో విన్న మాటేదో నిన్నడగనా నాలో నేనేనా ఏదో అన్నానా నాతో నేలేని మై మరపునా ఏమో అన్నానేమో నువ్వు విన్నావేమో విన్న మాటేదో నిన్నడగనా అలా సాగిపోతున్న నాలోనా ఇదేంటిలా కొత్త ఆలోచన దైవం వరమై దొరికిందని నాలో సగమై కలిసిందని మెలకువ కాని హృదయాన్ని చిగురైపోని శిశిరాన్ని నీతో చెలిమి చేస్తున్న నిమిషాలో నూరేళ్ళుగా ఎదిగిపోయాయిలా మనమే సాక్ష్యం మాటే మంత్రం ప్రేమే బంధం నాలోనే నేనా ఏదో అన్నానా నాతోనే లేని మై మరపునా ఏమో అన్నానేమో నువ్వు విన్నావేమో చిన్న మాటేదో నిన్నడగనా.
Wow, Rachna's voice is so sweet. ఇప్పుడు without waiting, judges the remarks choosesi points చూద్దాం.
Rachna, you have one of those voices which are truly blessed, and it's a God-gifted voice. So please preserve it. Very nice intricacies presented in the song. Only thing is, you may need to work a little bit more on the fine tuning of the pitch, and also the strength and intensity of your voice in the higher notes. All the best.
Hi Rachna, నాలో నేనేనా, రియలీ ఇట్స్ ఎ వెరీ గుడ్ సాంగ్. అండ్ ఈ పాటని నువ్వు పాడదామని ఎన్నుకోవడం నిజంగా అంటే బాగా ధైర్యం ఉన్న వాళ్ళే అది పాడతారు. అండ్ నీ సింగింగ్ కూడా అంటే చాలా సూపర్బ్, ఎస్పెషలీ హై నోట్స్ దగ్గర యూ సాంగ్ వెరీ వెల్. అండ్ అంటే లైక్ ఒరిజినల్ అనమాట. యూ కెన్ అంటే ప్రొఫెషనల్ సింగర్గా కూడా నువ్వు ట్రై చేయొచ్చు, బట్ అంటే నీ ఎయిమ్ ఏంటో నాకు తెలియదు, బట్ మై ఒపీనియన్ ఈస్ లైక్ దట్. అండ్ ఆల్ ది వెరీ బెస్ట్.
So could you please speak about her singing and her performance?
Well, Rachna has selected a very melodious composition which was originally scored by music composer Mani Sharma. And what we have to actually look into this song is, this song was originally sung by Hema Chandra and Saindhavi. It's a duet. And Rachna basically tried to do justice to both the voices, I mean the male as well as the female voice. But if we actually listen to the original singer, Hema Chandra especially, and if you observe his voice culture, so he used a little bit of vibrato at certain places in the song, and also he had that, you know, very mushy, husky tone which he used to, which actually enhances the expression of the song at various places. Whereas I didn't find so much, I mean I still feel that Rachna could have been a little more expressive.
Hopefully she makes the changes and, you know, keeps up the same pace.
Deccan Music Challenge.
Welcome back to Deccan Music Challenge. ఇప్పుడు మన నెక్స్ట్ కంటెస్టెంట్ కి వెళ్దాము. తన పేరు సురేష్. సో ఇంట్రడక్షన్ ఇస్తారా?
Suresh, I remember seeing him, I mean watching his performance long ago in public performance. Abhay voice is very, you know, soft and sweet.
That makes me anxious now. Let's watch his performance.
ఏమంటావే ఈ మౌనం మాటై వస్తే, ఏమవుతావే ఆ మాటే ప్రేమైతే, అవునంటావే నాలానే నీకు ఉంటే, తోడవుతావే నీలోనే నేనుంటే, నీ చూపే నవ్వింది నా నవ్వే చూసింది, ఈ నవ్వు చూపు కలిసే వేళ ఇదే, ఏమంటావే ఈ మౌనం మాటై వస్తే, ఏమవుతావే ఆ మాటే ప్రేమైతే, అవునంటావే నాలానే నీకు ఉంటే, తోడవుతావే నీలోనే నేనుంటే. సంతోషం ఉన్నా సందేహంలోన లోన ఉంటావే ఎన్నాళ్ళైనా ఎవరివమ్మా అంతమాయేనా సొంతం కాలేనా లేనా అంటుందే ఏ రోజైనా నీ జత కోరే జన్మ జౌవనమా జమునవనమా ఓ జాలే లేదా జంటై రావే ప్రేమ ఏమంటావే ఈ మౌనం మాటై వస్తే ఏమవుతావే ఆ మాటే ప్రేమైతే అవునంటావే నాలానే నీకు ఉంటే తోడవుతావే నీలోనే నేనుంటే అందాలనుకున్నా నీకే ప్రతి చోట చోట బంధించే కౌగిలిలోనే కాదనకమ్మా చెందాలనుకున్నా నీకే ప్రతి పూట పూట వందేళ్ళు నాతో ఉంటే వాడదు ఆశల కొమ్మ అమృతమా అమితహితమా ఓ అంతా నీ చేతుల్లో ఉందే ప్రేమ ఏమంటావే ఈ మౌనం మాటై వస్తే ఏమవుతావే ఆ మాటే ప్రేమైతే అవునంటావే నాలానే నీకు ఉంటే తోడవుతావే నీలోనే నేనుంటే నీ చూపే నవ్విందే నా నవ్వే చూసిందే ఈ నవ్వు చూపు కలిసే వేళ ఇదే.
Like you said, he sang really well and beautifully. Ippudu wait cheyakunda, let's just see the remarks the judges give and the points he scored.
Suresh, good song and good presentation of the song. You have chosen a song which suits your voice. However, you have a script stand in front of you and you have still held the mobile in your hand. So what happens is the presentation suffers because of that. You might want to hold the script, put the script on the script stand, or you might want to have an actual script, a paper script on the stand so that it looks a little bit more professional. Good singing, all the best.
Hello Suresh, your singing is really good, but ఏంటంటే నీ తపనంతా ఏంటంటే నోట్స్ నేను సరిగ్గా పాడుతున్నానా లేదా అన్న ఆ దానిపైన ఆ కాన్షియస్నెస్ కనిపించింది. అండ్ అదర్ దన్ దట్ యువర్ సింగింగ్ ఇస్ గుడ్. అండ్ ఇంకోటి ఏంటంటే యూ హ్యావ్ టు ప్రాక్టీస్ క్లాసికల్ సింగింగ్. ఇట్ హెల్ప్స్ ఇన్ కమర్షియల్ సింగింగ్ ఆల్సో. ఆల్ ది వెరీ బెస్ట్ Suresh.
Wow, such a valuable feedback given by the judges, and I want you to give a feedback too, sir.
If you actually ask me to rate it, I mean, as per me, I would say it's reached somewhere around 55 to 60%. Because there's so many things he could have improved in this song and all that. And I'm sure he has a long way to go.
So what do you suggest him, sir, in terms of...
What he has to concentrate is the... అంటే మనం భావం అంటాం. సో ఈ భావం అనేది అంటే ఒక్కొక్క పదంలో ఉన్న మీనింగ్ ఏదైతే ఉందో అది పాట పాడుతున్నప్పుడు ఆ సింగర్ అనేవాళ్ళు దే హ్యావ్ టు ఫీల్ దట్ అండ్ దే హ్యావ్ టు ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ ఇట్ ఇన్ టు ది సాంగ్. And that emphasizes on various places in the song. So when you put a certain emphasis, so you are also making the listener, aware that this is the area where this particular mood or this particular emotion is, enhanced in the song and things like that. So something like that comes only with extensive practice. So Suresh needs to practice a lot. And he has to concentrate on developing his expressions in the song.
Hopefully he does the needful and takes your advice the right way.
Tech Music Challenge.
ఇప్పుడు మన నెక్స్ట్ కంటెస్టెంట్కి వెళ్ళిపోదాము. తన పేరు కావ్య. సో కొంచెం ఇంట్రడక్షన్ ఇస్తారా మరి?
Well, Kavya is from North Carolina. She is classically trained singer. But she also sings a lot of other languages other than Telugu. She also does a great job singing English songs. So, yeah, I mean, she's good.
Without waiting further, let's watch her performance.
మనసు మరీ మత్తుగా తూగిపోతున్నదే ఏమో ఈ వేళ, వయసు మరీ వింతగా విస్తుపోతున్నదే నీదే ఈ లీలా. అంతగా కవ్విస్తావే గిల్లి అందుకే బంధించే నన్నల్లి కిలాడి కోమలి గులేబ కావళి సుఖాల జావళి వినాలి కౌగిలి మనసు మరీ మత్తుగా తూగిపోతున్నదే ఏమో ఈ వేళ వయసు మరీ వింతగా విస్తుపోతున్నదే నీదే ఈ లీలా అడుగులో అడుగు వైలారా నాతో నిత్యం వరాననా బతుకులో బతుకులై నివేదిస్తానా సర్వం జహాపనా పూలనవా గాలితోవా హాయ్లో హాయ్లే సో చేరనివా చేయనివా సేవలే మనసు మరీ మత్తుగా తూగిపోతున్నదే ఏమో ఈ వేళ వయసు మరీ వింతగా విస్తుపోతున్నదే నీదే ఈ లీలా మనసులో అలల ఏ రహస్యాలేవో చెప్పే క్షణమిది మనువుతో మొదలయ్యే మరో జన్మానై పుట్టే వరమిది నీలో ఉంచా నా ప్రాణాన్ని చూసి పోల్చుకో నాలో పెంచా నీ కలలన్నీ ఊగని ఊయల్లో మనసు మరీ మత్తుగా తూగిపోతున్నదే ఏమో ఈ వేళ వయసు మరీ వింతగా విస్తుపోతున్నదే నీదే ఈ లీలా అంతగా కవ్విస్తావే గిల్లి అందుకే బంధించే నన్నల్లి కిలాడి కోమలి గులేబ కావళి సుఖాల జావళి వినాలి కౌగిలి
Wow, sir, I love the song she chose. Ippudu tondarga let's watch the remarks of the judges and the points they award her.
Kavya, you have a very, very unique voice and good styling and good presentation. Just that the lower notes may need a little bit of work, and also either that or you could adjust the range of the song, the pitch of the song according to your vocal range, so that the flaws in your vocal range are not seen. But fantastic job. Barring a little bit of the low notes, everything else was fantastic. All the best.
Hello Kavya, your singing is really, really awesome. అసలు సింగిల్ టేక్లో అట్లా పాడడం అంటే ఒక ప్రొఫెషనల్ సింగర్స్ కూడా ఒక్కోసారి అంటే కష్టపడే టైప్ అనమాట. అలాంటిది నువ్వు చాలా ఈజీగా అండ్ చాలా ఈజీతో అంటే అవలీలగా పాడేసావు. రియలీ యూ హ్యావ్ వెరీ గుడ్ ఫ్యూచర్. ఒకవేళ నువ్వు కనుక హైదరాబాద్లో ఉంటే నీతో అసలు నేనే పాడిద్దాం అనుకున్నా, అంత బాగా పాడావు. All the very best, Kavya.
They've given a valuable feedback for her. Sir, would you like to add up something to theirs?
Kavya sang the song well, but again, if we have to compare it with the original song, which was originally sung by Amit Trivedi and Shasha Tirupati. So, Amit is, anyways, he's not a Telugu speaking person, so his rendition style is very different. Even the girl who sang also, she has a peculiar, voice texture, and that's the grain in the voice. So, a grain anedi, it's very important. Especially when we are singing Western compositions, it helps to enhance it gives a certain texture and a mood to the song, and also it gives a certain attitude. Kavya's voice did not have that particular grain.
Now we know the minute details of the song are important too.
Tech and Music Challenge.
Let's go to Uma Krishna. Sir, please give us an introduction about him.
I did meet Uma Krishna in one of his performances. He's very humble, and he comes from a very modest and humble background. Yet he's so passionate about music that he really struggles to, survive in this industry because he doesn't want to do anything else.
So I'm glad to see someone so dedicated to music, and that makes me want to listen to his song more and more. So without waiting further, let's watch his performance.
Priyatama na hrudayama, Priyatama na hrudayama, premake pratirupama, premake pratirupama, na gundalo nindina గానమా, నన్ను మనిషిగా చేసిన త్యాగమా, ప్రియతమా నా హృదయమా. శిలలాంటి నాకు జీవాన్ని పోసి, కలలాంటి బ్రతుకు కలతోటి నింపి, వలపన్న తీపి తొలిసారి చూపి, ఎదలోని సెగలు అడుగంట మాపి, నులివేచ్చనైనా ఓదార్పు నీవై, శృతిలయలాగా జత చేరినావు. నువ్వు లేని నన్ను ఊహించలేను, నా వేదనంతా నివేదించలేను. అమరం అఖిలం నా ప్రేమ, ప్రియతమా నా హృదయమా, ప్రియతమా నా హృదయమా. నీ పెదవి పైన వెలుగార నీకు, నీ కనులలోన తడిచేర నీకు, నీ కన్నీటి చుక్కే మున్నీరు నాకు, అది వెల్లువల్లే నన్ను ముంచ నీకు. ఏ కారు మబ్బు ఎటు కమ్ముకున్నా, మహాసాగరాలే నిన్ను మింగుతున్నా. ఈ జన్మలోనా ఎడబాటు లేదు, 10 జన్మలైనా ముడే వీడిపోదు. అమరం అఖిలం మన ప్రేమ, ప్రియతమా నా హృదయమా, ప్రియతమా నా హృదయమా. ప్రేమకే ప్రతిరూపమా, ప్రేమకే ప్రతిరూపమా. నా గుండెలో నిండిన గాఢమా, నన్ను మనిషిగా చేసిన త్యాగమా. ప్రియతమా నా హృదయమా, ప్రియతమా నా హృదయమా, ప్రియతమా నా హృదయమా.
Sir, his performance is really nice, and you can see how much hard work he's put in through his performance. Without waiting further, let's just watch the remarks of the judges and the points they award him.
Uma Krishna. You are blessed with a very good voice and you have a good presentation. However, you need to work a little bit on the pitching and also in understanding the small intricacies of the song and steadying your voice so that the voice does not become shaky. All the best.
హాయ్ ఉమాకృష్ణ, నువ్వు అంటే జనరల్గా అంటే నువ్వు మంచి ఎంటర్టైనర్ డెఫినెట్గా. అంటే ఈ రోజుల్లో ఏంటంటే సాడ్ సాంగ్ అయినా కూడా డాన్స్ చేస్తూ పాడాల్సిన రోజులు ఇవి. సో డెఫినెట్లీ అట్లా నువ్వు ఎంటర్టైనర్గా ఓకే, బట్ ఏంటంటే యాజ్ పర్ రికార్డింగ్స్ కానీ లేకపోతే అలా అనుకున్నప్పుడు ప్రొఫెషన్ అదే తీసుకోవాలనుకుంటే ఇంకా క్లాసికల్ సింగింగ్ అంటే క్లాసికల్ మ్యూజిక్ నేర్చుకోవడం ఇంకా బాగా హెల్ప్ అవుతుందని నా ఫీలింగ్. ఆల్ ది వెరీ బెస్ట్.
So, since the judges have given such valuable comments and such a good feedback, so please would you give your feedback as well?
Yes, I go with the judges and I agree with whatever feedback they have given and the points they have observed. But one thing is, I mean, definitely I'll have to tell this boy, Uma Krishna, the song he has chosen is the song Priyatama. Priyatama na hridayama. This is sung by our legendary singer SPB Garu, who is not with us today, and it's, I mean, the greatest loss for the music industry of the country. And again, while we have a legendary singer singing the song is composed by another legendary composer, Ilayaraja Garu. Now, I would say, why did you pick up a song like this, Uma? I mean, you could have just taken something much simpler, because you've got a good voice. And why are you trying to seriously climb the Himalaya when you could seriously do something? You always take a simpler task and try to do better with that, instead of trying to take something is very difficult and trying to prove a point. I mean, we are not proving a point. See, definitely, I mean, we are not, I mean, there are singers. I don't say in the new generation there aren't singers, but certain legendary singers and the kind of works they've done are impossible to break such records. So anyways, he tried his best. Uma tried his best. I wish him only good luck, and I definitely want him to choose something easier and simpler for his next songs. Let's hope he does.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your valuable feedback, sir, and I think he can do the needful for it, and he will try to take a better song next time.
This part of the presentation is supported and sponsored by American Telugu Association, ATA, Telugu Association of Southern California, TASC, Archana Dental Care, your family dentistry, Greater Portland Telugu Association, GPTA, Telugu Association of Greater Sacramento, TAX.
Tech and Music Challenge.
This program is brought to you by Space, Sashi Pritam's Academy of Cinema and Entertainment,
Mo, interior planners and architects. Designing a home or any living space with a blend of artistry and aesthetic taste is the speciality of Mo. We are interior planners and architects who breathe life into living spaces and bring them alive for an out-of-the-world experience. Make your living exciting and enchanting with Mo, interior planners and architects.
Tech and Music Challenge.
Today we'll be watching the contest of the rock bands, and the judges we have are Kabuli Rath, Sunny Daniels and Sasi Ivani. Also our curator and the analyst of the show, Mr. Shashi Pritam Garu. Every episode there'll be one rock band performing, so please stay tuned and watch their performances. Today we'll be watching the performance of Essence Radio. So without further ado, let's watch the performance.
Pilla, Pilla, భూలోకం దాదాపు కన్ను మూయు వేళ పాడేను కుసుమాలు పచ్చగడ్డి మీద ఏ పువ్వుల్లో తడి అందాలో అందాలే వేళ మిన్నే దాటి వస్తావా విరహాన జోడి నీవే నీకు భూలోకుల కన్ను సోకే ముందే పొద్దు తెల్లారేలోగా పంపిస్తా వెన్నెలవే వెన్నెలవే మిన్నే దాటి వస్తావా విరహాన జోడి నీవే ఇది సరసాల తొలి పరువాల జత సాయంత్రం సయన్న మందారం ఇది సరసాల తొలి పరువాల జత సాయంత్రం సయన్న మందారం చెలి అందాల చెలి ముద్దాడే చిరు మొక్కల్లో సిగ్గేసే పున్నాగం పిల్ల పిల్ల భూలోకం దాదాపు కన్ను మూయు వేళ పాడేను కుసుమాలు పచ్చగడ్డి మీద ఏ పువ్వుల్లో తడి అందాలో అందాలి వేళ మిన్నే దాటి వస్తావా విరహాన జోడి నీవే.
Wow, what a marvelous performance it was, sir. So now let's watch the scores and the points given to them by the judges. Sir, could you please give a feedback about this band?
Essence Radio comprises of, it's a 5-piece band, and we have Swara Kirtan, the vocalist, and we have Jay on the keys, and we have Tony on the drums, and we have Ferdinand Joshua on the bass guitar. All these 4 are full-time musicians, that's their profession. And then they are teamed up with Manideep Hendricks, who's the lead guitarist again, and he's a student. So yes, I mean, they've been doing a great job. They've been performing at a lot of pubs and various other private parties, and they're slowly, I mean, earning their name in the circuit. Now coming to their first song performance that we've just heard, the song is Vennelave Vennelave. It's basically a very melodious composition, and if we are looking at the scores given by all the judges, there's one factor that has to be observed in the parameters of the judging. So we have 10 points given for the vocals, so the vocal quality and the vocal capacity of the singer, and then we have a performance coordination parameter, since it's a band that we are assessing. So it's not about just the singer doing his part. All of them, yeah, it's a band all together. They need to basically perform well. So, and again, then comes band is all about, it's not about singing in a studio. It's not about a playback situation. So they need to perform on stage. So they need to have an attitude and a style and a presentation style, basically. So we have 10 points awarded for the presentation style. And the foremost and the most important thing about rock bands, see, bands generally, it's easy for them to perform cover versions. What Essence Radio has performed today is a cover version, the first song. I'm not sure what they have planned for the remaining songs of the episode. But a band is supposed to, I mean, when you have all the musicians and all that, the more they experiment, there's something new for them to give, and there's something new for us to take from them. Otherwise, if every band is playing the composition as it is, yeah, so there's no difference. So they don't create an identity for themselves. So if a band has to create an identity for themselves, they'll have to sound different. They'll have to experiment with the composition. It's true. So our judges have found, I think there's a section for us where we are trying to award points for original compositions and the quality of the composition, be it the lyrical quality or the tune part of it and the arrangement of music and all that. All these carry points when bands are performing in band wars. And we definitely, are looking for bands who have their own originality, and originality comes only when they do original music, original compositions. We call it OCs. And then we have another parameter, that is knowledge and skill. How knowledgeable are the musicians? How are they improvising on what they are playing, and the ease of playing? So all these things matter in a particular thing. They could have done better, Essence Radio. It's actually a very, very melodious song, and the way it was sung, of course, being a rock band does not mean that you have to sound harsh when you're singing. Harshness is not rock.
Yeah.
So, there are bands across the world which perform, classic rock and everything, and yet the melody is always the key. And that's what is very important for a band to retain when they're performing, and they could have done better.
Thank you, sir, for your feedback.
Deccan Music Challenge.
Welcome back to Deccan Music Challenge. We'll be having the second performance by Essence Radio.
O Sukumari, O Shringari, Nalankari ve. O Sukumari, O Sukumari, O Shringari, Ye Kumari, Ye Kumari, Ye Kumari, Ye Kumari. Kumari, na prema vekki bokki bakka chikkeni Kumari, na gunde guppi roppi gungu sunnade Kumari, na maatala kadali mandi endene Kumari, na prema vekki bokki bakka chikkeni Kumari, na gunde guppi roppi gungu sunnade Kumari, na maatala kadali mandi endene ne ఓడిపోయానను కుంటానే నా ప్రేమని కాస్త వాయిదా వేస్తేనే రకుమారి శ్రుకుమారి నా మనసు కదిరినది విరులలో అలజడి కుమారి నా ప్రేమ వెక్కి ముక్కి పక్క చిక్కెని కుమారి నా గుండె గుప్పి రొప్పి కుంగుసున్నది కుమారి నా మాటల కడలి మండి ఎండేనే షంజానే తోనే దాని తేనానో అవదుంబక తానే అంబీర ಅಂಬೀರಮ್ಮನೋ ಶಂಜಾಣೆ ತೋಣೆ ದಾಣಿದೇನಾನೋ ಅವದುಂಬಕದಾನೆ ಅಂಬೀರಮ್ಮನೋ తొలి ప్రేమలంటే పెను భారమా ఇది కానుపురాని నిండు గర్భమా ప్రేమ గుట్టు దాస్తే బరువు పలేక ఊపిరి ఆగదా ఊర్వశి ప్రేమను తెలిపి కాదని అంటే ప్రేమే సచ్చిపోదా ప్రేయసి ప్రేమ లేఖతో ఆయన మదిలో ఉన్నది పూర్తిగా చెప్పలేడు కదే నువ్వు కళ్ళు మూసుకుంటే ప్రేమను తెలిపే వేరొక మార్గం లేదే కుమారి నా ప్రేమ వెక్కి మొక్కి పక్క చిక్కెని కుమారి నా గుండె కుప్పి రొప్పి కుంగుతున్నది కుమారి నా మాటల కళలి మండి ఎండేనే సరి సని దప ని సని దప మదని దప మగ అవదప ని ద సని గరి కుమారి రి స స స రి రి స స రి స స సని సరి సని సరి సని రి సని దని ని ని దదని ని దదని ని దని ని దని సదని సదని దగరి సని దప ద ద ద గరి గమ్మ మగ గరి గమ్మ మగ గరి గమ బగ మ పద మద ప మగరి సని సరి గ సరి గరి మగ ప మద ప మగ ప మద ప ని ద ప మద ప ని ద సని ద ప ని ద సని రి స గరి స గరి సని ద రి స రి సని ద ప స గరి సని ద రి సని ద ప సని ద ప మ రి సని రి సని ద ప ని ద సని ద ప మ ప రి సని ద ప సని ద ప మ ద ప మ గరి గ ప ద ని ద ని ప ద ప ప రి సని ద ప ని ద ప మ గరి రి సని ద ప మ గరి సని కుమారి నే ఓడిపోయాననుకుంటానే నా ప్రేమని కాస్త వాయిదా వేస్తేనే రకుమారి సుకుమారి నా మనసొక బిరినరి బిరులలో అల సంజానే తోనే దాని దేనానో అవదుంబక తానే అంబీరమ్మనో సంజానే తోనే దాని దేనానో అవదుంబక తానే అంబీరమ్మనో
Wow, such a beautiful performance. Now let's look at the scores and the points awarded to them.
Essence Radio. Good band, very good vocalist, but the arrangement is pretty generic. They can actually do a lot more with the arrangement. They seem to have the talent, but it does not seem that they have actually spent time on working on the arrangement. The vocalist, like I was saying, is very good, but he should try and step out of his comfort zone and sing according to the genre of the song. The drummer was good, but he should definitely work on the style. The guitarist didn't do much. That's a bit of a disappointment. So they could definitely make the guitarist do a lot more in their song.
Music Challenge.
Welcome back to Deccan Music Challenge. Now we'll be listening to the third song by Essence Radio.
అవును నిజం నువ్వంటే నాకిష్టం ఈ నిమిషం గుర్తించా అసత్యం చలిపరద ఇక నిలవదుగా ఉవ్వా ఉవ్వా తెలుసు కదా ఊవా ఊవా తెలిసిందే అడగల అడగందే వినవేలా చెవిలో ఇలా చెబితే చాలా అవును నిజం నువ్వంటే నాకిష్టం ఏ నిమిషం గుర్తించా సత్యం కసిరేస్తున్నా మనసుకు వినబడదో ఏమో విసిరేస్తున్నా నిన్ను విడి వెనకకి రాదేమో నిదరోతున్నా ఎదురై కనబడతావేమో కదలాలన్నా కుదరదు మెలి పెడతావేమో అంతగా కంట చూడమని మొండికేస్తే తప్పేమో ఒంటిగా ఉండనీయమని ముందుకొస్తే ముప్పేమో మనసల మది వినదు కదా ఊవా 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 తెలుసు కదా ఊవా 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 తెలిసిందే అడగల అడగందే వినవేలా చెవిలో ఇలా చెబితే చాలా చెవిలో ఇలా చెబితే చాలా.
It was an amazing performance. Let's see the points awarded by the judges.
Essence Radio, you guys were amazing, especially the vocalist, bro, you killed it. Like it was really good. Like you did like everything you could, like you did everything possible. Like you guys were amazing, and I hope you guys had little originals so that you can push this competition. But overall, you guys were really good. Thank you so much.
Thank you for your points, judges. Now, sir, could you please give us a feedback?
Well, I can go with the kind of score that the judges have given. There are some valid points that every judge has been, observing in the scoring pattern that if we actually see till now, they are very convinced with the vocals. So Swarag has good vocals and is definitely a good singer, but there's something like an ease which a singer can exhibit when he's performing. I don't know, we need to seriously sit and talk to Swarag about his body language when he is actually performing it. Is it coming out of the adrenaline that is being pumped while he's performing, or is it some kind of discomfort he has to reach a certain note? This is still something, we might arrive at a decision after watching a few more songs of his performance. But anyways, if we do not see his performance and we only listen to it, his performance is really good. And when it comes to the remaining musicians of the band, I am impressed with the drummer, but the remaining all need to improve a bit more. Yeah.
Thank you for your feedback, sir.
Deccan Music Challenge.
Welcome back to Deccan Music Challenge. Now we'll be listening to the fourth song by Essence Radio.
చెలియా 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 అలల పొడిలో ఎదురు చూస్తున్న తనువు నదిలో మునిగి ఉన్న చెమట చడిలో నడిసిపోతున్న చిగురు ఎదలో చితిగా మారినది విరహ జ్వాలే సెగలు రేపినది మంచు కురిసింది చిలిపినియున్నదో కాలమంతా మనది కాదు అని జ్ఞాపకాలే సెగలు రేపినది వదిలిపోయావు న్యాయమా ప్రియతమా చెలియ చెలియా చెలియ చెలియా అలల పొడిలో ఎదురు చూస్తున్న తనువు నదిలో మునిగి ఉన్న చెమట చడిలో దాడిసిపోతున్నా 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 శ్వాస నీవే తెలుసుకోవే స్వాతి చినుకై తరలిరావే నీ జతే లేనిదే నరకమే నీ లోకం చాలినాపై కలగదేమే జాడనైనా తెలియదేమే ప్రతి క్షణం మనసులా వెతికెనే నీ కోసం ఎందుకమ్మా నీకి మౌనం తెలిసి కూడా ఇంకా దూరం పరుగు తీస్తావు న్యాయమా ప్రియతమా ప్రియతమా ఓ వాయే ఓ ఏ ఏ ఓ ఏ ఏ ఓ ఆ ఏ ఓ ఓ వాయే ఓ ఏ ఏ ఓ ఏ ఏ ఓ ఆ ఏ ఓ చిగురు ఎదలో చితిగా మారినది విరహ జ్వాలే సెగలు రేపినది మంచు కురిసింది చిలిపినియున్నదో కాలమంతా మనది కాదు అని జ్ఞాపకాలే సెగలు రేపినది వదిలిపోయావు న్యాయమా ప్రియతమా ప్రియతమా
It was a beautiful song, sir. Now let's see the points awarded to them by the judges.
Hello, Essence Radio. Good band. Good job. Okay. Swara Kirtan. Okay, Swara, very good voice. Good feel, good voice. But it seems like you are putting too much of effort. It shows on your face. Like Like you should enjoy and sing. Okay. Something whatever it is, like don't okay. I don't want to play that. Okay. Otherwise you're got a fantastic voice and very good feel. But about the band and as you are doing cover version, it's sounding like just another cover version. There is no improvisation or your own input. Put something new, like make the song sound different, like your own version kind of thing. Okay, not just another cover version. Otherwise, everything is very good. Good group. Keep on singing nicely. Very good. Okay, take care and all the best.
So, could you please give us a feedback?
There's something I need to share with the audience and also with the band. Something very important. The song that they have just played, Chelia Chelia, the original guitarist of this particular song is one of our judge. Is Mr. Kabuli Rath. Thank you for being there on this show with us on Deccan Music Challenge. So, guys, Essence Radio, it's a great pleasure for you to have Mr. Kabuli Rath judging you, because you've played one of the songs for which he has originally played. And this song is a very peppy number. It's got a lot of energy, and overall, compared to the previous songs, they have given the best in this. And as usual, Swaraj did a great job. And that's it. They're going good. Let's wait for the last performance and see what's up.
Thank you, sir, for your lovely feedback.
Deccan Music Challenge.
Welcome back to Deccan Music Challenge. Now we'll be listening to the last and the final song performed by Essence Radio.
पिघला था एक आंधी आई थी जब दिल से आ निकली थी दिल से रे एक सूरज पिघला था कुछ पारा पिघला था एक आंधी आई थी जब दिल से आ निकली थी दिल से दिल से रे दिल तो आखिर दिल है ना मीठी सी मुश्किल है ना पिया 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 जिया 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 दिल से गुजरे वो पत्ते दो बेचारे फिर उड़ने की ताकत में वो शहराओं से गुजरे वो पत्ते दिल 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 थे वो दिल थे दिल 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 थे दिल है तो फिर दर्द होगा दर्द है तो दिल भी होगा मौसम गुजरते रहते हैं दिल है तो फिर दर्द होगा दर्द है तो दिल भी होगा मौसम गुजरते रहते दिल से दिल से दिल से दिल से दिल से रे दिल से रे दिल से रे दिल से रे दिल तो आखिर दिल है ना मीठी सी मुश्किल है ना पिया 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 दिल से रहे, दिल से रहे।
It was an awesome performance altogether. Now let's look at the points awarded by the judges. So could you please give us your valuable feedback?
Once again, it's a very, very good composition of A.R. Rahman. And if you have seen this song, he has sung himself. And basically this song has a lot of high-pitched notes. It's actually a difficult number to for singers, especially any vocalist, to do justice to the song. See, reaching the note is not a great thing, but even at the high pitch, are you carrying the emotion and the expressions that are required is very important. Whereas Swarag did a great job in trying to also improvise at a couple of places and then carry the mood of the song. But when it comes to the kind of ease and the finesse with which AR did, I mean, what are we talking of here? Can we compare this performance of Swarag with the original? No, absolutely not. So Swarag, there's so much to learn. I mean, learning comes when we listen to songs, and you need to give a little more, you know, do more homework and listening to the songs and also trying to catch the actual melody of the song rather than, you know, trying to make it sound loud or something like that. You know, if you're performing with a band does not mean that you need to be very aggressive in your performance. Especially songs like this need a lot of you know, that there's a soul in this song, and if you miss the soul of this song, then it just becomes loud and noisy. So yeah, I mean, it could have been so much more better, if you'd ask me.
So what do you think the current situation of bands is in Hyderabad?
Well, bands in Hyderabad, if I say 30 or 35 years ago, there was a performance by Rock Machine in Hyderabad. The entire concept of rock band was alien to our city, Hyderabad, and the kind of coordinated performance back then, I mean, the kind of quality of performance they had was absolutely spellbinding. The show, I mean, even the visual presentation, I mean, the kind of lighting effects, the kind of visual effects they created while performing on the stage, and the sound and the mixing quality and the vocals and everything was really amazing. I was personally witnessing that show. I mean, this was something which I saw when I was in college. I mean, if we have to say quality music, I mean, even today we have a lot of bands like Indian Ocean and other, you know, bands which have a lot of national recognition. There is some kind of precision in what they do and what they play. When it comes to Hyderabad, I seldom heard that kind of precision in the bands that have actually evolved over a period of last, you know, if I say half decade. Apart from that, why haven't bands come up frequently or I mean more in Hyderabad, unlike any other city like Bangalore or Delhi? Primarily, we lack audience. There's no, I mean, appreciation for this kind of music. I mean, only very recently in Hyderabad, for the last 2 to 3 years, we have seen this particular band culture coming up in pubs. Now, how many eyeballs do these people have in a particular pub? A particular pub is frequented by maybe about 100 or 200 people at any given weekend, or maybe a little more. I mean, are they the same people who are visiting every weekend is the point. So a band is not actually getting the right recognition and the right identity in the city. I mean, apart from these particular joints, they are just performing private get-togethers and all that. most of the times they are forced to play cover versions. So they don't play their own original compositions. And even if they have original compositions, who is there to listen to them? I mean, in any pub, if they are going to play more of original compositions, people will get bored to it because they won't have heard that song before. So the culture of listening to a band playing original compositions has not yet developed in. It's not yet begun. And I mean, adding to the blues of all these, the lockdown and the entire thing has come back to square one. So it's a long way for bands to evolve, create their own identity, their own niche audience, and their own cult. It's a long way.
Thank you so much for your feedback, sir, and hopefully the situation of the bands improves. Thank you for watching today's episode, and please watch the next week's as well. Stay tuned and follow our Facebook and Instagram pages for more updates. I thank the sponsors, the judges, as well as the curator, Shashi Preetham Garu, and the audience as well. Please comment and share your support with the bands and the musicians that you like. Thank you for watching, and bye.
This program is brought to you by Space, Shashi Preetham's Academy of Cinema and Entertainment.
This part of the presentation is supported and sponsored by American Telugu Association, ATA, Telugu Association of Southern California, TASC, Archana Dental Care, Your Family Dentistry, Greater Portland Telugu Association, GPTA, Telugu Association of Greater Sacramento, TAX.
Tech and Music Challenge.